Oba Adeyeye Ogunwusi took his sixth wife sometime in May and is set to officially welcome her into his royal palace of Ojuwa in Ile-Ife. The monarchy took a new wife days after his wives caused a stir online for reportedly snubbing each other at an event. Invitations for the Thanksgiving service and reception of the new queen have all been sent out. Major dignitaries in the country are expected to attend this grand event. The event is scheduled to hold on Saturday, May 20, 2023. The event will be preceded by the traditional entry of the Queen into the ancient Ife Ojuwa Palace of Ile-Ife. On Thursday, the couple tied the knot on May 10, 2023. A few days ago, Horny's wives caused a stir online when they were captured snubbing each other at an event. The wives of the monarch had attended the unveiling of a coffee book titled Ile-Ife, The Cradle of the World in Lagos. In a video posted online, the monarchy's fourth and fifth wives, Olori Ashley and Olori Ronke, were seen sitting together when his first wife, Olori Mariam, walked up to them. Olori Mariam exchanged pleasantries with Olori Ashley, while Olori Ronke snubbed her. Her demeanor, which didn't go unnoticed, has got much talking. A Palace Observer recalled Queen Naomi's dramatic exit from the Ife Palace in 2021. The former Ife queen had shared details on her Instagram about why she left the place and renounced her position as royalty.